Hello everyone. Today here we at APSON Motors. We have with us Mr. Gaurav and Mr. Umang Bansal from Polo Elevators. Hello sir, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
How would you like to describe your relationship with APSON Motors?
Uh,
It's been quite some time, so we know APSON has been doing well in the market, and it's been a pretty good relationship that we share with APSON.
We've just launched a new product. What would you like to say about that, sir?
It seems to be like a fantabulous product, and obviously, as per what we have seen and what has been described by the company, so it seems like it's a rocking product, and let's see. Hopefully, we'll try to use it, and hopefully, we'll get one order for your motor. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your good wishes, sir. Thank you for joining us. Thank you.